How to check the daily activity of your team in Jira. Here, we're going to show you 3 options. History of a single issue. Open a task, scroll down to the Activity tab and choose History. You will get a timeline of all the actions that have been taken on the current issue. Limitations. No filters or customization. Single issue only. Jira Activity Streams Gadget. Go to Dashboards, add Gadget, choose Activity Stream. Click on the 3 dots menu, then configure filter the activity stream by project, issue type, date, or user, account ID. Drawbacks. Limited filters. You can choose only a specific day in the updated date field. Issue history for Jira plugin to get a full user activity report. You will get a journal of all past user activities on the issue level. The best thing about this plugin is its flexibility and customization. You can create the report you need with a bunch of filters and columns manager. To get changes made by a specific user, updater, select a person who made changes, updater. Additionally, you can choose the date range. Here you can select any time frames, not only one fixed date. Include to columns any standard or custom field where you want to see changes. Export the report to CSV/Excel. Start your free trial and find more advantages of issue history for Jira.